Hey everyone, welcome to today's quick guide on how to receive XRP on Uphold. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're a newbie or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. First things first, log into your Uphold account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and complete the verification process. Once you're in, head over to the Transact tab. This is where all the magic happens. The Transact tab is your gateway to managing all your cryptocurrency transactions on Uphold. Now, from the list of supported assets, you'll see a variety of cryptocurrencies available. Go ahead and select XRP. XRP is a popular digital asset known for its fast transaction speeds and low fees. You'll see an option that says Deposit. Click on that. This will take you to the page where you can generate your unique wallet address. Uphold will generate an XRP wallet address and a destination tag for you. These are crucial for receiving your XRP securely. These are super important, so make sure to copy both of them. You can use the copy button to ensure you don't make any mistakes. You'll need these to receive your XRP. Next, navigate to the platform or wallet you're sending the XRP from. This could be another exchange, a personal wallet, or any other service that supports XRP transfers. Paste the wallet address and the destination tag you copied earlier. Make sure to double-check that you've pasted them correctly. Double-check that everything is correct. Trust me, you don't want to send your XRP to the wrong place. Mistakes can be costly and often irreversible. You don't want to send your XRP to the wrong place. Always verify the details to avoid any errors. Once you're sure everything is good to go, confirm the transaction. And that's it. Your XRP should be on its way to your Uphold account. The transaction might take a few minutes to process, so be patient. Remember, always double-check all details to ensure your XRP is sent to the correct address. Mistakes can be costly. It's always better to be safe than sorry. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating the crypto world. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating the crypto world. We regularly post updates and guides to help you stay informed.